Hello everyone, today we're going to be discussing something that is hopefully a little bit more interesting and something that is hopefully familiar to everyone, which is networking applications and protocols. Networking applications and protocols enable users to have access to the internet. They also enable users to share hardware such as printers, fax machines, and scanners, and they also allow users to use their email and instant messaging programs. Some different types of networking applications and protocols that we're going to be looking at are streaming media, VoIP or Voice over Internet Protocol, File Transfer Protocol or FTP, email, and instant messaging. Streaming media is when media is presented to the user and this media usually is provided by a provider. Streaming refers to the delivery of the media to the user. The best example of streaming media is YouTube. So on YouTube you can search for any video that you like. So I searched for Superwoman's video. So in this case, Superwoman would be the provider, delivering media to me as the user. So YouTube is a good example of streaming media. Next comes VoIP, which stands for Voice over Internet Protocol. This is used for communication over the internet through your voice, and Skype is an example of VoIP, but since I don't have Skype on my laptop, I'm going to show you a different one, which is Google Hangouts. So if you use the video call feature of Google Hangouts, you're using VoIP to communicate with others. File Transfer Protocol, FTP, is a type of standard network protocol that is mainly used to transfer files from one host to another. Files usually are transferred through the internet. Google Drive is a good example of File Transfer Protocol. You can click on any file and you can click Share. You can type in your recipient's name, and if you send it to them, they get the file and your file is now transferred through the network, which is File Transfer Protocol. Next, we're going to look at how to use email. So on my email, it delivers messages from a single author to multiple recipients. So if I compose an email, I'm the single author and I can choose as many recipients as I want. So if I choose to send it to all my teachers, so I can choose as many recipients as I want, and it delivers the message to them. The email does not require users to be online at the same time, and people can check when they come online. Gmail also enables you to label your messages. So for example, if I got this new message, I can click on the message, I can say labels, and I have all these different labels to choose from, and if it relates to Make a Difference Club, I can label it as Make a Difference Club so I know that that email is for Make a Difference Club. I can also forward messages. So if I click on this email and if I want to forward it, I can click on More and Forward, and I can click and I can type in who I want to forward it to, and then I can send it, and this will forward the message to the person who I'm sending it to. You can also use stickers to label your emails, such as star indicates important emails. You can label it as question mark, which means like a concerning email or an email that you're confused about. Or if you ask your teacher a question, you can put a question mark there to indicate that it was a question from you. And labeling and using stickers makes it easier to organize your email rather than just having all random emails everywhere. Last but not least, we're going to look at how to use instant messaging. Instant messaging refers to online chats. It transfers real-time text over the internet. And you can attach links, photos, contacts, and VoIP files on instant messaging applications. So for example, my friend here just messaged me. So this is a real-time message. She just sent the message and it came to me, so I can send her a message back and it will deliver the message to her, and through this we can chat. I also have WhatsApp on my laptop, so I downloaded just for this email and for this video. So I can attach files and I can choose which type of file I want to attach: photos, camera, documents, contacts. So I can choose what I want to attach to my text. I can also send VoIP files by clicking this little recorder icon, and I can record my voice and communicate through my voice through the use of a network. So that's how you use the different types of networking applications and protocols. Hope you enjoyed and see you next time.